Tailings, tailings, tailings. Tailings everywhere. Hello, y'all. Today I would like to do a silly video. Every time I go to the creek, I bring home a bucket full or two of my tailings. And then I pan the rest of the gold out at home. What I do with the tailings, I throw it out my front porch. And I have little piles of tailings everywhere. So today, I'd like to pan those tailings out for y'all and show you how much gold I actually throw out of my home. Okay, there's all 4 buckets empty. And now I'm gonna show you what I found and to see if this is even worth doing. All right, it's kind of shady over here, so let's see if we can just mill some of this down. And already you can see that there's lots of gold in there. In fact, there's a ton of gold in there. Gonna see if I can get a better angle here so you guys can see the gold, because there is just a ton of it in there. All of that is what I was throwing out. Literally garbage. And there's just a lot of it. A ridiculous amount. And it would be one thing if it was all fine pieces, but it's not. That's some big chunks in there that I'm throwing away. I don't understand how it even gets out of my pan. But look at that. That's sick. That is really just sick. Well, I'll go fill these buckets up and do 4 more, I guess. All right, I grabbed 4 more buckets of tailings, and now let's see what's in these ones. Okay, so got those 4 done, and now I'll show you what's in the pan. That right there, the rock is actually a garnet. Let's see if we can get it in some better light here. All right, so it's shining red. And here's the gold that I found in the last 4. This is ridiculous. This is stupid. This is all dirt that I just threw out that I thought had no more gold in it. All right, so I got a lot more pay dirt to do, so it looks like this is gonna be a 2-day video. All right, day 2, and I'm gonna try to pan the rest out in this tub and fill up the buckets and show you what's in the buckets at the end. Bucket 1. Here's 2. And 3. And 4 buckets. All right, everybody. I did 4 buckets, and I think that's all I'm gonna do. So let's take a look at the cons that I got from those 4 buckets. All right. Quite a bit of gold in there, almost ridiculous. Up top there, it is unbelievable, to tell you the truth, that I could have those huge chunks and miss them, have them fall out of my pan. All right, well, I'm gonna clean all this up and I'll give you a picture of what I've done overall. Okay, so here's all the gold, plus a garnet right there. This turned out to be more than I expected. It's about 5%, you know, I'd say about 5% of my overall gold take, which means that I'm still catching a lot of the gold, but obviously I missed a lot too. I think I'm gonna get back to some regular mining now and leave the rest alone. All right, thanks for watching, everybody.